Flight Lieutenant Sachin Patania, Squadron Leader Prashant Sharma with Flight Lieutenant Shubham Mishra. There you can see arrowhead formation. Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft will roll. From your right, ladies and gentlemen, now you can see Group Captain Rohit Kataria, or CATS as we know him, and Wing Commander Chauhan in command of the aircraft. The aircraft now carrying out the turn to reposition for the next maneuver, which is a max rate turn. The max rate turn implies a horizontal maneuver wherein the aircraft has to turn to a maximum number of degrees per second. Ladies and gentlemen, keep your eyes riveted to the right for the next maneuver.
तुझे अब